The measles threat has made a frightening comeback in some parts of the country, and Massachusetts health officials want to make sure it doesn't make its way here.
So the I-Team has combined forces with CBS News to dig into our vaccination rates. WBZ's Christina Hager shows us what families here need to know.
16-year-old Tristan Naylor loves playing the drums with his friends. He recently returned to school with them in Duxbury after a year of treatments for leukemia.
He has no immune system.
For him, school comes with serious risks.
Something like the flu, COVID, measles, mumps, rubella can kill him, and a lot of people are silent carriers of that if they're not vaccinated.
This as school vaccination rates are falling across the country. While Massachusetts is bucking that trend, doctors here still have concerns about the MMR shot that prevents measles.
We're dealing with the most contagious respiratory virus.
Dr. Todd Ellerin is director of infectious diseases at South Shore Hospital.
For every person that has measles, it can infect 18 additional susceptible patients.
A CBS News analysis found 152 schools in the state have MMR vaccination rates below the 95% the CDC recommends for herd immunity. That's 1 in 5 schools. In Jamaica Plain, the James Hennigan School had the lowest kindergarten MMR vaccination percentage of any public school in the state last year.
If it goes to one school, it can go to somebody else, then to another school.
A spokesperson for Boston Public Schools says one reason is a lot of newly arriving immigrant children have ended up here at the Hennigan School, and it has taken school officials some time to catch up with their records and their shots. But he says compliance for this school year, which has not yet been published, has gone up from 65% to now 92%. CBS News found another promising trend. In Massachusetts, the number of adequately protected schools went up 6% in the last decade.
Statewide MMR rates are pretty consistent.
The state's immunization director credits a new high-tech record-keeping tool.
That's become more helpful, especially in the last 5, 6, 7 years as more data has been entered into that system.
But the continuous stream of migrants still puts a strain on compliance.
It's a lot of work. It takes coordination between the schools and the city.
The city of Framingham has found success with free weekly clinics, free taxi vouchers for students to get there, and sometimes shots right in school.
Many of our schools are almost at 100% compliance, because we've worked so hard to remove the barriers, and it's working for us really well.
Back in Duxbury, Tristan Naylor's family hopes Massachusetts does not go the way of other states recently dealing with outbreaks.
What could happen to him if he were exposed to measles?
He could die. He could die.
It has them beating the drum for vaccinations, like his life depends on it. For the I-Team, Christina Hager, WBZ News.
Just going to say he sounds great. Now, if you want to check on how well protected the schools are in your community, we have a search tool on our website, WBZ.com.